And we're called one infinite dodo bird. You know why is there infinite dodo bird? I have infinite, bro. Like, look at this. It's too laggy. It's too laggy, bro. And plus, I have no freaking HP. My skeletons can't even move, bro. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, no, bro. This is just, oh my freaking. So I can double jump because of the dodo bird. Well, that's good. That's wonderful. Second thing is I have more than enough skeletons on the freaking place somehow. Oh my god. See, bro, the dodo bird is actually super useful, bro. I don't want any one of you saying, like, that dodo bird is trash, dodo bird is this, dodo bird is that, bro. Because dodo bird is the best bird, bro. Dodo bird isn't even a bird. Dodo bird is like something else, bro. Crap, dude. My iron. my. Bro, got out of the Matrix. Oh my god. Nobody can escape the Matrix, buddy. I was gonna steal some of the skeletons on the. Okay, bro. Why am I placing skeletons here, bro? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Bro, this fell off the map. He knew that he was cooked, bro. He literally knew that he was cooked. Okay, boys. I'm just gonna head over to their base. No, actually, I'm gonna head over to my base because it's literally so freaking reinforced that they can't escape. I literally can't even get in this place, bro. Like, that's actually just crazy. Yo, so what's going? I'm gonna get this, a bunch of these, and voila, we are good to go. Wait, Dodo bird glitch? Whatever that was, it's super laggy. Bro, I'm gonna mount on this. Wait, what? Okay. The Dodo birds are somehow like super laggy. Because my Dodo bird just died, but it didn't die at the same time, bro. Like, somehow, my Dodo bird died, but it didn't die. How does your Dodo bird die but not die? How is that possible, bro? I'm asking myself all day, bro. What is this? Oh my freaking god. What is this? We got a cheat code, huh? Matrix. You're in the Matrix, buddy. I'm so sorry, but we do not allow matrices. Here, we will just. Oh my god. After 3 minutes of hard work and dedication, this game is finished. Glitch number 1, Dodo Bird, and glitch number. Bro, look at that! 69! The 5469 damage dealt. 69 player skill, bro. No, man. Oh my god, bro. 69! I'm recording live right now. Everyone. Oh. Everyone watching this, comment 69 in the comment section. I dare y'all. Bro, this is just crazy. Like, how can you get such trash opponents, really? Alright, let's see what happened to our battle pass. There we go. We skipped from 16 to 17. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Spend 110 diamond skills? 3 diamond guardians? That's a deal? No, that's crazy, bro. Okay, I guess that's it for today. And that's it for a long, long time, boys. I have a lot of videos uploaded. Why am I making new ones? Alright, bye.